welcome to my channel. My name is Claire, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to not get caught in the spam filter on Pinterest. So yes, you can put affiliate links in your pins on Pinterest, and you have to put, say, sponsored or it's affiliated in the description. The thing is with that is that you could get caught in the spam filter. One way around that is having, say, a landing page. You could use beacons to create a landing page, and I've just done a review on beacons, so I'll leave a link here so you can go check that out. Otherwise, it's having a website or a blog and then registering that with Pinterest, because then Pinterest understands that that has some sort of authority and it's not spam. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create blog posts easily. So you might want to promote a particular product, but maybe you're not very good at writing, or you don't have the time to write a blog post. You know, they can take quite a long time if you're not very good at writing. So what I'm going to show you today is koala.ai. It's a fantastic app. It can really speed up the process of having blog posts about your particular product. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you what koala.ai is like. This is koala.ai's home screen, so you can try it out for free. And then there are examples here, so you can actually see what they look like. This is an example. So this is, say, Amazon product reviews. You've got links off to the products, the pros and cons, and a little bit of description. So it's really high quality images in it, really cool. And then the pricing is, so you can start at $9 per month. So they have a monthly plan. So those are the monthly plans. Or you can also do credit packs, and they will last a year. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the actual writer's like. So this is just default. I'm saying blogging. If you use different ones, they can use up different amounts of credit for the ChatGPT version. So that's just something to be aware of. All right, blog post. I've got an example here. Are German Shepherds good pets? SEO optimization. So that's actually like doing more research to try and make your article better. So we could just do AI powered. And you can link off to a particular internal page that you want. And then we can say auto images, and we can choose the type of image. So there's premium quality photo. I would just do photo, because if they're really big, it can really slow down your website. So 15 images or 15 videos is quite a lot. So I'm just going to do, say, 5 photos, maybe just 3 videos. Otherwise it's going to be a lot. I'll do default length, but you can choose different lengths of articles. And then you can choose the tone of voice. So SEO optimized, you can do friendly, formal, humorous. I'm going to choose friendly. Language, US, I normally do United States. And then you can choose whether you have it in first person, second, and third. So I'm going to choose second person, you, yours. We can tell it to use real-time data, so it will fetch the results from Google. And you can also tell it to give you an outline first of the article, which I do every time, because I kind of want to know what it's going to put in there. And then you can remove bits if you don't want it in there as well. Frequently asked questions if you want, include key takeaways. So I'm going to put that on as well. I'll just do default. And then create article outline. So this is the outline of the article. You can move sections around and edit them or copy them, and then it's very comprehensive. You can put in your Amazon products if you want. This isn't a particular Amazon review article, but it's a great way of creating the article, and then you can put in whatever particular products you want. I'm not going to create it because I'm not going to use up my credit. I can also show you what an auto Amazon affiliate article looks like as well. So from the Koala Writer, we can do an Amazon review. So instead of choosing a blog post as a type, you can do Amazon product roundup, single product review. You can also actually do YouTube video to blog post or rewrite a blog post. So if I just do Amazon product roundup, then choose your target keyword, say select 5 products. One thing I would do is put more products in here, because some of them might not be the best or have good reviews, or say maybe aren't quite as relevant as what you're thinking. So the more products you put in here, when you go to the outline, you can delete ones and then just really choose your particular ones that you want to show. Put your Amazon affiliate tracking ID in. You can also tell it to search a particular page on Amazon to try and find the results that you're looking for. And then again, just choose your tone of voice and the first person or third person, whatever you want to use, and then create the outline, and then go ahead and create your article. Another great thing is if you use Koala AI to rate your blog post, say your Amazon affiliate review, but say you want to add in other products, AI is a fantastic app, and I will have a link down below so you can go and sort of find any products and add them in as well. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it will really help out my channel.